it's Nicola from Morley Company again, and Kate from Cooking and Carafes, and we are going to do some, well, what is it we're going to do?
We're doing some food demos, if you caught us earlier. So the one we're doing right now is I'm just showing you how to make some Italian style, they're kind of like flatbreads, more like crisp breads. So I've already got my dough made. So this is made with just strong bread flour and semolina, 60 grams of each, and then just some lukewarm water. Really simple dough to make. And then what we're doing, you can roll these out in the rolling pin, but I'm using a pasta machine because we're going to be making some fresh pasta later. So I've cut a little bit of dough off, really small ball. We've already got some we've made here. And then what we're going to do is going to flatten it out with our hand. It's not too sticky. And then starting on 0 on the pasta machine, we're just putting these through because we want to get them really nice and thin. Obviously this is just as easy to do with the rolling pin, but I've got a pasta machine here, so I'm going to use it. If it gets a bit sticky, just dust it in a bit more flour. And I'm going to about number 5 on this machine. So each little notch on the pasta machine is how thin the dough goes. So you'll see later when we're rolling some pasta how thin we get it.
And does the cooking temperature change then? Obviously the thinner it means less cooking?
With pasta it really depends on the type of shape you're cooking. So if you were just making like tagliatelle or pappardelle or something, oh, we've got stuck. It really doesn't take very long. It's like 2 to 3 minutes in a pan of boiling water. So yeah. So we've got our little mini flatbread. You can obviously make these longer, or we've got a few different sizes here, but we're going to make these into bite-sized canapes once they're cooked. So I'm making them a little bit smaller. And then these ones we've topped with just some dried herbs. So we've got oregano and salt and pepper. We've got some chili flakes. You can add chili flakes to them. Any different toppings. They'd also be great with like an olive tapenade, but we're actually going to dress them later once they're all cooked. So we will come back and show you them when they're cooked, and we're going to put them into the Everhot. So it's on 200. We're going to use the top oven. We're going to put them in there, and it'll only take about 6 minutes. So yeah. So come back and see us for more.